Hello everyone, it's me, Maarko, and I'm back again with another video. So I told you all that I started university, so in this video I've come eventually to give you a look around the university campus. So this is the university I'm studying at. This is Chengchi University in Muzha in New Taipei City, and in Chinese it's called Chengda or NCCU. So let's get into it. So right at the gate, this is the College of Science building here, and I am at the main entrance. So as you come through the main entrance, it looks like this. You can see the signs up, you see NCCU, and then if we look this way, you can see the cars and that coming in. You can only get in with a car if you're like people who should be here. And that is the main entrance. This is the main entrance of the university. Sometimes this has water in the pond, but little pond, water feature. Everyone loves a bit of a water feature, don't they? Just show you around. Unfortunately, I don't get much time to spend on the campus because I am always working to pay for my course, obviously, working a lot. But actually this is one of the first times I've been here during the day, and it's really peaceful. Nice, it feels nice. So that brutalist building there, that is like an administration building. That's where I had to go to hand in my documents. I had a bit of hassle with that, but I sorted it out. Behind the trees, you can't see it so clear now. I'm not quite sure what that building is there. All the buildings, they look a bit ugly really, most of them. Some big dinner going on in there or something. Should get myself in. It's all trees and that, obviously. This is like a scenic area of Taipei here. Muzha is quite nice. The College of Law down there. College of Law looks like a newer building. That's massive. I'll show you the building most of my classes are in. You see this building here on the left. That is the College of Commerce. So all business school classes are mostly in here. That's the College of Commerce. We'll go down here a little bit. There's a library there, but they built a new library not close to here. The new library building's really nice. This one over here looks really old. I've never actually been in during the day. That's the library building there. That's one library building. There is another library building. That is the library, the main library. Look, main library says on the sign. That is the library in there. I've never actually been in. I've been in the other one. And this is the Commerce building. That is where I mostly study my classes in there. Look, this is one of Taiwan's biggest unis. I believe it's the second best rated in all of Taiwan. I might be wrong, but I believe so. That's what locals tell me anyway. So if I'm wrong, I got told that by local people. You see all the trees everywhere. Makes it so nice and peaceful having trees everywhere. Over here actually there's a swimming pool. And swimming pool over here. Those on the left side, I believe, student dorms, I think. Student dorms over there. And this says it's the College of Law, look. College of Law. And around here, that building down there behind the College of Law, that is a swimming pool. I've never actually tried the uni swimming pool, but I would like to. There's a swimming pool over there, look. Don't know if you can make it out. And then up this way, it just goes up the mountain, and there's parking up there and more student dorms. So this is part of the campus. This is outside the College of Commerce building. There's the College of Commerce sign there, look. So I'll show you a bit of the other side of the uni, and then I'm going to prepare for my presentation tonight. That's why I'm here early. I have a presentation that's quite important to the final score of the class. So I got a substitute for my work tonight, and I took the night off. I don't like rushing to the class when it's important for the final grade. I like to be calm and relaxed and really get my mind focused. So that's what I'm doing here now early. If I had more time, there's actually lots of stuff going on. If you check all these posters, there's so many things going on. I joined an event about the impact of something in Vietnam. It was dead good. So there's loads of stuff going on, really. Chinese and English bilingual subtitles. What is that? Don't know. Anyway, you see, there's loads going on at the uni, honestly. Loads going on. Closer to rural, onward together. So all these posters are everywhere around the uni. If you pay attention and check it out, there's actually loads you could get involved at this uni if I wasn't working. So I wish that I could get involved with more. These little shuttle buses, they run the students like up and down the mountain to the student dorm. You can see how green the area is. Living on the mountain would be mega, honestly. And you can see every one of these little things, they've got advertisements on for stuff that's going on at the uni. And surprisingly, they do have a lot in English. There is a lot of English events. Not as many as Chinese, that's obvious. But there is a lot of events in English that you could get involved in. So, feeling political. That's what she's about. This is the admin building. You see what I mean about it being brutalist? It looks brutalist to me, so if it's not, I'm no expert, but it definitely looks it. And more buildings there, look. I'm going to show you the football pitch and then probably call it a day. There's a bookshop down behind us over there. So I'll show you the football field, the footy pitch, and then I am going to go and do my studies. Otherwise, the idea of coming here early is going to be wasted, isn't it? So there is the football pitch there, and I guess there is sports college over here. One of these, probably the sports college somewhere. And you can also see how green it is in the mountains behind. Look, I could live in this peaceful area. That's it for this video. I'm going to end it here as I need to get on. This is a little bit of look at what the student campus is like here, and I hope you enjoyed this one. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and also check the affiliate links. I'm going to keep putting them in the comments. They all help with the channel, so check that out too, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.